Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find unsaved Excel files on your Excel. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Many companies use Excel to manage their spreadsheets and control large groups of data. This program has various features that make using them easier for employees, including ways to recover and save file after you've closed out of them. So learning how to use this feature can help save you time when you accidentally close out an unsaved file. And in this video, I will show you how to find and recover the unsaved files on your Excel document. It's so simple. So first of all, first you have to open our Excel. Now for the example, we'll just create a file like this. Find and save Excel. Now let's just close this file without save it. And now how to find it? It's very simple. You can open your Excel. You can open the blank file, click on the file, click on info. You can go to manage workbook. You can just click on that and you'll find there is an option recover and save workbooks. You can just click on that. So here's all the unsaved Excel documents. You can recover by choose on the file and you can click on OK. So that is how to find unsaved Excel document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.